All right, so if you're an agency or freelancer, you're probably going to be working with numerous different projects here. A lot of times what folks will ask about is how can I actually manage them? So if you click on that little icon that I just clicked on here and go to the dashboard, you'll actually see all the projects here that are available that you're working on in this list. And so you can see here I have 3, and these are just quick little tutorial ones that I've been creating, but you can imagine this being client 1, client 2, client 3. Now the cool thing about this is these will show up in 2 different ways, or you can actually instantiate a project in 2 different ways depending on how your client wants to own that project. So one way that you can do it is you can have the client actually create the project and then invite you as a collaborator. So to do that, you would add them, they would come, tell them to come to stackbit.com. We'd say app.stackbit.com/create. They would come to here and then tell them which theme, as we come out with new themes, which theme you would want them to start from. They would click start with theme, and that would spin up the site here. Once that site is spun up, they'll add you as a collaborator here as well. And we have a video called how to add collaborators if you want to walk through, send that to them so that they have a tutorial around how to do that. But it's pretty simple. So they'll add you as a tutorial, and then you'll be able to have full access and can begin your development and site building work. And they actually own the code, which is the benefit to that. But no matter what, it will still show up here just as we're seeing all these. The other option is for you yourself to actually come in and create a new project through this app.stackbit.com/create page here. You'll create the project, and once it's spun up, you can basically get right to work, starting to develop. And when it's time to onboard that client, you'll come over here and you'll onboard them to as a collaborator and give them whatever permissions you might want to give them. Again, either way, whether you've created the project or whether your clients created the project, all the projects that you'll have access to will be here inside of your dashboard.